guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be based on this look. I really like it. I really like how it came out. Sorry, I just gave you my broken baby doll. I was like, but this is the completed look. I kind of had like no rhyme or reason when I went into this tutorial. I just knew that I was inspired by a new palette that I just picked up, and it is the Zulu palette by Juvia'S. This palette is beautiful. It's $20, which is insane to me because of the size of the pans in the palette. The colors that I used were this yellow, this orange, this like hot pinky red color, and then this purple. Oh, and I also used this one, which is beautiful. I also, like, when I was doing this, when I put this color, I did a very light wash of whatever was left on my brush with this color, and it came out so pretty. I really like it. So this is what I decided to do today. Moving forward, the videos will be a little bit more fall centered because we're coming into the fall season now. But I'm really excited for you guys to watch this. I really love how it turned out, like I said. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, coming at you live. Doesn't look like I have a nose, but I swear I do. Creepy face, creepy face. Also, The Rock, I'm coming for you. I'm giving off The Rock vibes right now. I also feel like a mannequin in like the 80s. Guys, I need to lose some weight. I feel like my face is looking like a potato. Like a potato, or like that white spider from Mrs. What is it, Sunny Patch? Something like that. But yeah. So guys, I'm out. Bye. If you also want to look like the rock dressed as an 80s mannequin, just subscribe below. Okay guys, so that was the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, then please be sure to like this video, subscribe below, and share it if you like. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching this video. I'm really awkward with the outro. I'm trying to get better and show my actual personality and not personality of a wet dish rag in every video. So yeah, I just get a little camera shy.